Hello everyone, welcome to Korean learning. In this video, we are going to learn Korean alphabets called Hangul. In Korean language, alphabets are divided into 40 letters. So there are total 40 letters in Korean language which are divided into two categories. First one is called consonants. Second category is of vowels. In Hangul, there are 19 consonants and 21 vowels. Now, the consonants are further divided into two categories. There are basic consonants and there are compound consonants. Vowels are also divided into two categories, basic vowels and compound vowels. In case of consonants, there are 14 basic consonants. The remaining 5 consonants are compound consonants or double consonants. In case of vowels, there are 10 basic vowels. And the remaining 11 are compound vowels. These compound vowels are formed by the combination of two basic vowels. In this video, we are going to learn the 10 basic vowels. So, we are going to learn how to read and how to write basic vowels. So, starting our today's lecture, here you can see 10 basic vowels on the screens. Starting from the first one, first of all, a straight vertical line. It is also a basic vowel. This one is called E. It sounds like E. If we make a small stroke on its right side, it becomes A. This one is A. Now, again, a straight vertical line is E. One stroke on its right side and it becomes A. And other small stroke on its right side, it becomes Ya. This one is Ya. Again, a straight vertical line is E. A small stroke on its left side, now it is O. This one is O. If we make another small stroke on left side of O, it becomes Yo. Yo. Now, a straight horizontal line is also a basic vowel. This one is A. As you can see here, this one is A. If we make a small stroke or a small line on its upper side, it becomes O. Now it is O. Similarly, if we make another stroke on the upper side of O, then it becomes Yo. One stroke on upper side, it becomes O, and other stroke on the upper side and it becomes Yo. This one is Yo. The first one was A. This one is O. And this one is O. A, O, O. Now this one is Ya. This one is Yo. This one is Yo. Now moving towards our next vowel. A straight horizontal line is A. A small stroke or a small line on its lower side, now it is U. This one is U. If we make another small stroke or a small line with U, it becomes U. As you can see on the screen, this one is U. Again, a straight horizontal line is A. A straight vertical line is E. This one is E. Now, as you might have noticed that we have used O with all these vowels. This O is called ing. Ing. Whenever this O is used before a vowel, it is silent. In this case, O is silent. This ing is silent. But whenever we use it with a consonant, it sounds like ing. In Korean alphabets, a word can never start with a vowel. Whenever there is a vowel at the start, whenever there is a vowel sound at the start, we always use this ing before the vowel. So this is all about today's lecture. I hope you have understood everything. If there is anything that you don't understand, you can ask me in the comment section. In the next video, we are going to learn about compound vowels. Thank you so much.